In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create status in Jira. To get started, open your Jira project and look near the project name at the top of the screen. You'll want to click the three-dot menu next to the project name. This menu gives you access to additional project options that aren't always visible on the main board view. From that drop-down, choose Space Settings. This is where you can manage key configuration options for the project, including the settings related to how work is organized and tracked. If you don't see the exact same wording, keep in mind that Jira layouts can vary slightly depending on the project type or version, but the goal is to get into the project's settings area. Once you're in settings, click on Work Types. This section controls the types of items your team uses, and it also connects to the workflows behind those items. Since statuses are part of a workflow, this is the area you need. Next, select the current work type you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct one, because the new status will be added to the workflow for that specific work type. This is especially important if your project uses different workflows for different kinds of issues. After that, click Edit Workflow. This will open the workflow editor where you can make changes to the statuses and transitions associated with that work type. Take a moment here to confirm you're editing the right workflow before making changes. At the top of the workflow editor, click Add Status. This is the option that lets you create a brand new status instead of reusing an existing one. If you're planning your workflow in advance, it helps to use a status name that is clear and meaningful for your team. Now type the name of the new status and then click Create. Try to choose a name that reflects a real stage in your team's process so it's easy for everyone to understand when an issue should move into that status. Next, under Status Category, choose the category that best fits your new status: To Do, In Progress, or Done. This part matters because the category affects how Jira groups and displays the status in reports, boards, and workflow tracking. Even if the custom status name is unique, it still needs to belong to one of these broader progress categories. Finally, click Add to finish creating the status. Once that's done, your new status will be available in the workflow for that selected work type. That's it. You've successfully created a new status in Jira. If needed, you can now continue adjusting the workflow so the new status fits smoothly into your team's process.